Hi, my name's Celina, and today I'm going to be talking about common registration errors. You may get a linked course required error if you have not enrolled for all parts of a course. For example, a course lecture may be linked to a corresponding lab and discussion. You must enroll in all components of a course at the same time. Tips to avoid this error. You must enroll in all parts of the class, for example, lectures, discussions, labs, etc. For each lecture, there's a list of the discussions you can enroll in. Choose one discussion section that is open. There are some courses, for example, Physics 8, Chem 2, and Physics 9, that have paired discussions and labs. For each lecture, you will need to enroll in a paired discussion and lab section. Major restriction error. You may get a major, minor, or concentration restriction error if a course you are trying to add requires you to be declared in a certain major. You should choose another course or contact your advisor for assistance. Tips to avoid this error. Find out which courses are restricted by major in the course schedule at registrar.ucmerced.edu/go/schedule. Select the hyperlink CRN for a course to view course details. Prerequisite error. You may get a prerequisite not completed error if the course you're trying to register for requires you to complete another course first. Tips to avoid this error. To see prerequisites for a specific course, select the hyperlink CRN in the course schedule found at registrar.ucmerced.edu/go/schedule. You can also view the university catalog for course prerequisites. Contact your academic advisor if you need assistance. The course detail will show you any prerequisites required for a specific course. Time conflict error. You may get a time conflict error if you're trying to register for two courses scheduled at the same time, or if the final exam time for one course is the same time as another. Remember, a time conflict may be with a lecture, discussion, lab, or final exam. Tips to avoid this error. Try to register for an open section of the same course or register for a different course. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it helped. If you want to see more videos, check out our channel.